have discussed something and we have done the practical of some HTML tags, and now today we are going to do more on HTML tag. By using the HTML tag we are going to do practical of remaining things. So let's start. Okay, in yesterday's class we have made this one folder called HTML1, where we have put the file for HTML documents. Now let's open this one. What we have done yesterday, we have made one index.html and one screenshot to put the image on it. Okay, today let's see by opening the notepad what the code we have written here. Okay, here is written code. In head part there is a title given, and in body part we have written the heading style and listing item, and we have given the link. We have given the link for the listing item as well, and we have added the image over here. Now today we are going to do more. So first of all, in listing item, see there what we have done. In listing item we have given the list of home, contact, friends and school, and we have added the link, and in link where to pass this link. We have not made the page, so we have to make now. One home page is our beginning page, and now we have to make these 3 more pages for providing the link to this page. So we have to make the contact.html page, friend.html, school.html page. Okay, now let's start. Open notepad, same the way, Windows plus R button at the same time you have to press, and the note command will be open, and you have to write here notepad. Okay, open notepad. Now you are going to save this file. Go to save as. Now where is your file? The main file in desktop. Yes, so click on desktop. Then in desktop you have a folder called HTML1. So no, now you have to write here what is this page name, contact.html. So no, and same the way you have to do here all files, and then you have to do save. Your one HTML page is saved. Same the way you need another one, friends and school also. Same the way, again go to the save as. Same the way, and write here friends, friends.html. So no. Okay, same the way go to the desktop, and in yes one here you have to do all file and to save. Yes, this also save. Now same the way next one also school over there also. So go to the save as and write the school.html, and also go to the all file, and also you have to go to the desktop. Already we are in desktop. Now to save. Yes, your all 3 files are saved. Now close this one, and all you have to close this. Now see, open your file folder in your desktop. Here is your folder. Now see here you have one main file that is called index, from where you have make the link doer for other page, and the other page we have listed here is school, friends and contact. Yes, now let's first of all open this one index page yesterday what we have made, and let's display in the browser. Okay, your first page is opened over here. Now see here, in head part you have written the title, my first web page. Yes, this title part is displayed here in the browser URL part. And similarly you have written s1 tag Suman Bhagat. Here we have written, and this one we have given the listing item by using the li and ul. Ul means unordered list, so this is in on order. That means you are using the bulleting. These types of bullet we have used here in unordered list, but when we use the order list, this bullet are changed into number or numbering form. And after that we have made the image, and we have written here paragraphs as well. Yes or no? So these are the paragraphs. And now I'm going to close this one, minimize this one, and then after that I am going to index. I'm going to open this index in Notepad. So open with Notepad. Now here I'm going to add here anything called personal information. Personal information I have written here, and same the way we have made the document. And the contact, for contact we have made their contact dot, because we are going to make link contact.html. we have this document, so no file. Similarly for friends also we have the friends.html. Similarly for school also we have the school.html. yes, these are our files. And home is the main, so we have to write here what we have to write, index.html, because home is saved in the index.html file. We are going to make home file as the index.html file. Okay, and this is our active. That means it will present in the first part, so it is always active. Now same the way, what next thing we are going to do here, we are going to image we have. Okay, let's change the image. In place of this image we are going to put other image. Okay, let's change the image. I am going to picture, not a picture, and now I have some image over here. Okay, okay, I am copying this image and I will paste this image in my folder. Here it is. Okay, let's paste this one image here. Okay, our image is pasted. Now same the way, see the properties of the picture image. Okay, look there, image name is 123 and the image type is jpg.jpg, so we have to write here same thing. Okay, now same the way, come to your notepad. Here is your notepad, and now write here 123 dot jpg, png, or what is that, png or what, jpg, jpg. Okay, what is that, here jpg. Okay, now we are going to save this one, and we are going to open our browser, and we are going to refresh this one. Now see there, the picture is presented here. So no, now you are going to add some attributes for the picture as well, height and width for the picture. And I'm opening my notepad, and here is a picture, and just I'm going to set here width, width equals to I'm going to give your 100%. Okay, 100%. Now to save. Now refresh your browser. Now see here your width is 100%. Same the way I'm also giving its height as well, and height also I have HIGST height equals to, I'm giving here 200 only. Okay, 200. Now to save and refresh your browser. HIGST. Okay, this is now see here, you are putting your mouse pointer in this list, and this mouse pointer shape is changing because you have add here link. You have made this door. And when you click on home, then you will see it will display in home, because in home there is index.html file. In contact, when you click on contact, nothing will display. Similarly, we have friends, where also nothing will be displayed because we have not add anything in the friends.html file. Same the way we have school file, also nothing displayed. Now we are going to add something on those files. Okay, before that I am going to add some attributes for this one. So that is also called CSS, cascading style sheet, but we just talk about the attributes. And while using the CSS or attributes, there are three types of CSS we can use. This inline, external or internal as well. And inline means within this tag we can use these attributes. Here within this tag we have add here height and width, or this is the inline attributes or CSS. And similarly, internal CSS means internal CSS we use inside the head part, and external CSS means external, that means outside of this page we make another page and we put there CSS. Okay, first of all, in head part I'm going to, after that title, I'm going to add style tag. It is the tag STY style. Okay, style is also pairing tag, so we are going to close style as well. And under the style we are going to use attributes. Now first of all, we are going to use the attributes for this h1. Okay, h1, I'm for h1 I am using color, color equals to color not semicolon, that is colon, and color equals to red. I am going to give a red. Similarly, this is our body part. Yes or no? In body part also we are going to add some background color. Okay, similarly here we are going to add body. In body also we are going to add some background color. Background space hyphen color. Background color equals to, we are going to add here green. Okay, green. Okay, I have add here green as background color. Same the way we are now using another for UL, for all on our list. And for this also we are going to add here for UL text text style type equals to, we are going to add here none. This is our attributes. In the way another we are going to add here, that is float, float equals to RIGST. Right side we are going to shift this one. Similarly, next one we have li. UL, under UL there is li or not, so UL li, we are going to add something over here. What we have to add, that is the style text decoration, not text decoration, also not li. We are going to use Okay, style type none and display inline. And similarly next one also I am going to use here, that is border. Here border, border equals to and also equals to not colon, border colon, dotted. I am using here solid border. And next one is padding equals to 20 px. Okay, this thing I have added here. Now for the link ULA, we also have. So again we are adding the attributes for A also. For A I am going to use text decoration. Some text decoration equals to none. And next one color equals to background color, not color, okay, color equals to color blue. Okay, this much. And I'm going to save this one, and I'm going to open my browser. Now let's see here in the browser. Now look here, this list is displayed like this or not. Okay, now this personal information in red color, yes, this background color is in green, and this is in blue color. Now again, if you want to make this one cover, when you put your mouse pointer here, it will just like the covering part. Now again we are going to add something for that, and for that I am going to use ULIA under A, that is hover. It is called hover. And under hover I am going to use color, that is color is okay, white. I have added here white. Now let's do save. Yes, now let's do save. Now refresh your browser. Now look here, when you put your mouse pointer and it's see like white in color or not, white in color. Okay, let's put some other color except white here. I am going to put black. Okay, black. Now do save, refresh your browser. Now see, it will display it in black. Okay, no problem. Now we are moving towards the next page, and we are going to save this one, already saved. And now we are moving towards the next page, that is contact. Okay, it will display it in browser, not now. Contact, same the way we are adding, opening the notepad, same the way notepad. And in contact we are going to add one form. Okay, now same the way start it, HTML. HTML also have closing tag, so no closing tag HTML. Similarly under the HTML we have head tag, and similarly in the head tag also we have closing tag. And inside the head we need title not necessary because I'm already having. Okay, body, body tag, and same the way body clothes. And inside the body tag we are going to make one form. And form is also one of the pairing tag. It is also one of the tag and pairing tag. And now in form, same the way I'm going to copy this one in all this. Okay, Control C, and I'm opening the friends also, and I'm going to copy and opening the notepad, and I'm going to paste this one here also, same the way. In the school also we have, same the way I'm going to open the school as well, and I'm copying in school as well. Control V. Okay, these all are copied here. Now first of all we have to open friends, not display also not. Okay, contact, yes, we have in contact, we are in contact. Now in form we have to use okay, first of all we have to use first name and give like this, and in first name we have to use br tag. Okay, first of all input is one of the tag, and input is type equals to what type of input you are going to give. Input in first name, that is in character form or not text, it is text. Okay, and input type text we have written here, and after that we have to write a name equals to first name or anything name. Okay, and now close this one input tag, and same the way come to the last name, same the way input type as well, input type in this way. I am using the field in this form. Same the way at last we need button also, button button button, and input equals to first button. I am using a submit, and same the way next button again we need, that is button button. Input equals to cancel, cancel. Okay, these are some field in the form: serial form, first name, last name, email, password, select gender, either male or female, and gender, type radio, name equals to male, give your name equals to male, and same the way here also name equals to female, FEMAL. Okay, now I'm going to save this one, and I'm opening my browser and doing refresh. And when you click on the contact page, now see what happened. Now see, your form is ready over here. Yes or no? Form is ready, but here is something went wrong. Look, your gender part is not displaying. Here we have made mistake. Input type we have to write here, input type, and similarly for your male and female we have to add here male and female at last as well. And then we have to save it, and then we have to reload, and see here again this submit button is not displaying. Now see here what happened, male and female thing. So again we are adding here button type equals to we are adding here submit button type, and here is submit, and closing button close. And same the way I'm going to copy paste this one, because we have two buttons. So copy this one, and at last we do control save to, and here cancel button, here should be cancel, cancel, and here also cancel, and here type equals to, we have to write submit, here is spelling mistake, P19. Okay, this is now to save this one, and open your browser and do refresh once time, and open your contact page. Now see here your form is displayed like this. Yes or no? Now we can write here first name, anything you can write. Okay, I'm writing this one, and same the way last name also I'm writing, and for email I'm going to give this one, anything, and password I'm going to give okay, this one is my password, anything I'm giving, and I'm clicking on mail. Then if I want to do submit, then I will do submit. Now look here, this is the form is submitted. Okay, this is the way to develop the form. And same the way I'm going to add here some attributes for the form as well. Form border, and want to give their border equals to, I have to give here, okay, 5 border. I have given 5. And from background color, bg color equals to, I'm going to give here red. Okay, now I'm going to save this one, and after that I'm going to refresh this one. Oh, sorry. So here while writing the attributes, you have to use the internal attributes, and by writing the style in head section style, we have used the attributes for form. So form border, I have used here 2, background color I have red, and padding 5 pixels, and margin that 5 pixels, that is padding and margin is just one of the attributes. And after that I'm also going to write this one all in h1 tag. Okay, h1. Then this text I'm going to copy over here and pasting all this one, h1 set h1 here. Also I'm going to paste h1 here. Also I'm going to paste yes, so h1 send the way. And this side I'm going to do closing of h1 send the way. I'm copying this one also, and I'm pasting this one here. And after that I'm pasting also here, and I'm pasting this one here after br tag. This br means break tag, yes or no? Okay, now I'm going to save this one, and I'm going to refresh this one, and going to contacts here. Your form is displayed like this. Yes, you have to write here a name. Okay, someone such as already you have written here, and so it is displaying like this. This is forgot. Okay, send the email also you can add from your passport, anything work here, and select mail. Okay, mail I'm selecting, and submit. The form is submit. In this way you will make form. So thank you student, and next class again I will discuss on next topic called table. Okay, on next class again we are going to do table, and we are making the table in friend part. Okay, this is our friend, and while clicking on friend we have to display here one table. Okay, thank you.